Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone again, shoe believers. We're going to do another Simpson shoe unboxing so I can get this, like I said, on the road. I have to go through so many pairs, plus I have to go through. I'm going to bring you guys some more 312s and other things that you guys like. Start hitting up the forum section before I get to my Air Force One section. Start cleaning and upkeeping shoes. This shoe is the Simpsons Adidas. Get out my box, cat. Forum 84 Low Simpsons Duff Mans. This is one of my favorite of the collection. Haven't worn these either. Haven't got around to doing any of the stuff I need to do with these shoes. But they're still in good condition, so I'll be able to. The air conditioner and so forth is working to keep my shoes preserved while they're in storage. This shoe is supposed to look like a Duff beer can. Has all the colors of the Duff beer can. If you watch the Simpson show, so I had to have this shoe. I'm a big fan of the Duff beer jokes and the Duff Man. Just a big Simpsons fan in general. And I'm also a Adidas Forum fan, so I try to get as many pairs of the Adidas Forums as I can. This year and last year was pretty rough, because they kept dropping a whole bunch of them, like M&Ms and all that, so I had to pay a ton of money. Get out my box, cat. Watch your pets, guys. So you got the top of the shoe, you get a little Duff beer can. And you get Duff beer at the top. I think it might come with a couple more add-ons. I don't want to dig through the box. Duff beer can. Like I said, look of the shoe. So it's kind of shiny. I hope you guys can make it out. Get a little Simpsons insole for the shoe, Adidas Simpsons. Nice bottom to the shoe as well. Overall, like I said, this is a great shoe as well. A good take on the shoe. You guys a look at the shoe, what it's going to look like when it's on your foot, your feet. We know what you guys think about this shoe. Adidas Forum 84 Low Simpsons Duff Man. Like I said, I like it. We know what shoes you guys are buying. We know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!